Okay, I understand why people don't want to get trapped having to follow a driving school car, because we have to do the speed limit. Driving instructors can only afford to gain 4 demerit points here in Ontario before their licenses are suspended, whereas everyone else, 6 demerit points before their licenses are suspended. So, I'm not going to speed up for you, no matter how much you tailgate me. So anyway, this guy here, driving erratically and swinging from one lane to the other, tailgating, and then at the end of the video here, he gets upset and comes right up close to my bumper before swinging back over into the right lane, jeopardizing everyone else around him. So anyway, just thought I'd share this with you.